This finished Manassas basement looked normal, but water was hiding behind the walls. Moisture meters read the framing and flooring near 100%, and everything was soaked. So we cleared the space, opened the walls, and cut the damage back to the framing. Then, more than a dozen air movers and commercial dehumidifiers ran structural drying across the basement. Thermal imaging and moisture readings confirmed every cavity was dry before we called it done. Cleaned, dried, and verified, the basement was stabilized and ready to rebuild. This is the vision for what comes next. See the reviews and the full story at restorationdoctorsreviews.com.